Beautiful day in the woods today. Way better than being at work. Holy cow, it's been a great weekend. We're up here for pre-hunt 2 weeks before opener, and we decided that we were going to build a stand. So my son and I built all the pieces in the garage and then brought everything in the woods on site, and here's where we decided to put it. Really cool. So it's really like a ladder stand, right? So we've got a couple of 10-foot sections of ladder into some supports, and then we got support platform, and then the sides and everything. Let's go up there and take a look. Just nice and sturdy as I fall out. It's gonna be awesome. Look at our views up here. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Just amazing looking. And you see my wheeler over there? The trail cam's right there, but yeah, this thing's just awesome. Nice, and check this out. Northwest is that way, so we'll get a little bit of a cross breeze when it gets cold, but yeah, I think we're going to be great. Look at that. Highways going through here. Anyway, so yeah, we got a seat I can flip up, and we got a backrest stand. We built these sides and then brought everything into the woods in pieces, and then so we got 1x6s, mainly all 2x4s. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.